MySQL is a popular open-source relational database management system. It is commonly used in web applications and powers some of the largest websites in the world. Let's download the MySQL latest version. Go to Google and search for Download MySQL for Windows. Click on the official MySQL link or check the download link in the description. Make sure MySQL version 8.0.35 and operating systems Windows are selected. Download the Windows MySQL installer community. Skip the Oracle login step and click on Just Start My Download link. Let's install MySQL in local machine. Double-click the downloaded MySQL setup file. There are 4 setup types. You can choose the type based on your requirement. We will select Custom here as we want to install Server and MySQL Workbench. Click Next. Select MySQL products and add those to a products to be installed. First product is MySQL Server. From Applications, we will select MySQL Workbench. And last from Documentation, we will select MySQL Documentation and Sample and Examples. Click Next. Click Execute to begin installation of selected products. Once installation is complete, click Next. Next step is product configuration. Click Next to begin configuration. Do not make any changes to any of these details and click Next. Select password encryption as authentication method and click Next. Set the password and make a note of it. We will need it later while connecting to the server. Add MySQL user. It can be used if you want to connect MySQL server from any third-party applications. Enter username of your choice, select role as DB admin. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Execute to apply all configuration we just set. Click Finish. Click Next to configure sample and examples. For connecting to server, enter the password which we set in the authentication step and click Check. I can see status has been changed to the connection succeeded. Click Next. Click Execute to apply all configuration we just set. Click Finish. Click Next. And it's done. We have successfully installed MySQL Server and Workbench application in Windows. MySQL Workbench will start automatically. If it does not, you can launch it from Start menu. Click on Local Instance MySQL 80 to connect to server. Enter the password which we set during authentication step. Save the password and click OK. Click on Schemas to check available sample tables. Check tables under Sequila schema. Let's run Select Query on Actor table. Click on New SQL tab. Type your query and hit Ctrl-Enter to execute query. You can see the data in the output window. We have completed installation of MySQL database in Windows. Begin your SQL query practice in MySQL database from today.